hi, I will be presenting Yavrio's solution within D365 Finance. I will first show you how to connect to bank accounts, then import transactions, and finally how to send BACS payments. So first, I'm going to show you how to connect a bank account. So I'm going to go onto Modules and select the Cash and Bank Management module and the Bank Accounts page. I'm then going to open a bank account card that I've already created, which is the Modelo one on here. And if I scroll down, you can see that there is a Yavrio Fast tab and all the fields are empty because no account is connected yet. Then I'm going to select Yavrio and connect bank account. I'm then going to choose the country of my choice, which is United Kingdom. And I'm going to input the name of the institution I want to connect and then select institution. If I scroll down, I'm just going to select Connect Bank. And what happens now is I'm taken out of the ERP system into the bank portal for security purposes. I input my credentials, select the bank account I want to connect, scroll down and confirm. Then I have a success message that appears and it will close automatically and take me back into the ERP system. Now, my final step is to link this bank account to a bank account card of D365 Finance, which is the Modelo one on here. I'm going to create one license because I connect one account, and I'm going to link those accounts together. And that's it. I have a success message appearing at the top. If I scroll down, you can see all the fields have been populated, including the live balance from the bank. All of this come from directly the bank. Now I'm going to show you how to import transactions. So to import transactions, my first step is I need to select Advanced Bank Reconciliation on here. Select OK. I'm going to save my changes and I'm going to select Reconcile and I'm going to access the bank statement page. In here, I'm going to create a new bank statement. And you can see the bank account is already for Modelo on here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to import my transactions. So I select Get Bank Transactions. I'm going to choose a date range. So I'm going to go back and choose from the 1st of April here and select Import Transactions. And that's it. So if I scroll down, I can see that I have all my transactions that have been populated in my bank statement. All the details come directly from the bank. This is absolutely zero file-based process. We are using API connection. Then I'm going to validate and I'm going to confirm my bank statement on here. And you can see there are 1,206 lines in total. Then I want to go through the reconciliation process. So I reconcile in worksheets. I'm going to create a new worksheet here for my Modelo bank accounts. I'm going to open my worksheet. And that's it. You can see on the left-hand side, the bank statement transactions that I have imported before have been populated on here. And then I can just go through my normal reconciliation process within the ERP system. You can see as well on the right-hand side, it's empty because it hasn't been used yet. Now I'm going to show you how to send payments. So to send payment, I go into the vendor payment journal. I'm going to open an existing batch. And you can see I've already created 2 payment lines. So if I go on the right, the payment stat is set to none. So to send my payment, I select payments, send payments, and I can choose my payment method, which is back, and review my payment summary. And then I'm going to select send payments. So when clicking send payments, an email is going to be sent to me with a link for me to authorize the payment. So I have a success message at the top, and I can also see that the payment status changed to pending. Now I'm going to authorize my payments. So I open my payment authorization email. If I scroll down, I have all the payment details with the total amount, and I can click into review payment. When selecting review payment, it's going to take me into the enhanced security process for payments by Yavrio. And it's going to take me to this page. So you can see you have the payment summary again, and you can review it with the total line number, total value, currency, and also the status of your payment, the authorization logs, when it was sent, by whom, and the payment details at the bottom. And I'm going to authorize my payment using the Authenticator app. I'm going to select Authorize Payment. And that's it. My status has been updated. I have a success message appearing. The authorization logs has changed as well. So I'm going back to my ERP system and I can reset the payment status. And by selecting this, the payment status will change to sent. Now I can also click into General, where I can see the Yavrio payment details. So you can see there is a field for failure reasons. So if my payment fails, we can know why. And if I go back into my journal, I can also reset my overall payment. So by resetting it, it means that I completely reset my payment and my process. If I select yes, and I scroll on the sides, I can see that the payment status has been changed to none. Thank you for listening. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to sales@yav.io.